Hey, Timothy Younger here. In this video, well, today I was going to plan on doing some CSS for the blog I was making, but I decided instead to look at the Emacs basically downloads online, and I noticed that on April 4th, a couple days ago, they released Emacs 28.1, which is a long-awaited release. So I built that from source, and for this video, I'm going to go through Emacs 28.1. I don't have an init.el created. I don't have any of that created. So I'm going to try and create Emacs basically using my init.el, but I think there are some differences. One thing that I did notice is I'm using a Chromebook here. We have the Emacs client and Emacs right here when I set it up. But let's go into Dear Ed and let's, first off, since I built this, I downloaded the tar.gz file and then I extracted it and ran through the configure. Maybe I'll do a video about building it from source in case anyone's interested. But I'm just going to delete these two. So yes, and recursively delete. And that might take a moment. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I'm going to create an early init.el. And I'm just going to go to my GitHub here and paste in some stuff. And then we'll just try and download some packages and see if there's really anything noticeably different with Emacs 28.1. So I'll go to my init.el. I have a bunch of Emacs configs on here. Got a little crazy with it. But I'm just going to take this. These two lines will maximize new screens and maximize it on startup. So I'll just paste that in and save that file. And now I'll create an init.el file. And let's go back here. Okay, let's take our init.el here. I don't have source code pro downloaded. I don't really need electric repairs on. And I don't think I need Melpa because I think it has Non GNU Elpa built in. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And actually, let's go up here and just change the font. Let's do, Cuisine I have on my system for right now. I could go download source code pro, but I just want to start it off. So boom, it starts up just like normal, pretty fast actually with recording there. And now I'm going to just try. Let me try package list packages. Let's see what happens here. Okay, and let's see. Oh, okay, so we have up here. You'll notice non GNU. So some of these are non GNU. It's interesting. It doesn't have. Is that it? Oh no, it's still refreshing, I think. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so let's try and set up, I don't know, Doom mode line. Make that look nice and good. So let's see. I'm just going to take a look at these packages and see that it's on. So it doesn't say it's on Non GNU Elpa. I see some of these. Let me check out Doom themes for a minute. But we'll try and install both. See if that works. Okay, so this one as well. Let's take a look. Now I don't have it hooked up for Melpa, so if it's not on Non GNU Elpa, then we might have to set up Elpa anyways. Let's try Doom. No, so there's no Doom. Okay, so some of the stuff is not in Non GNU Elpa. So let's just search for Non GNU Elpa. Okay, so let's browse the packages and see if there's something we want to install. So we have some themes here that have been loaded up. I'm assuming like Doom stuff, it just has to. We have evil mode. Nice. So it should be able to install evil mode, even though I don't have Melpa hooked up. So let's do evil mode. No, just evil. Okay. And okay, it's giving me some warning. So maybe some of the stuff, we may still have to hook up Melpa for this. Let me go back here and let's just see. Okay, so now, yeah, I do have, it looks like I do have evil mode. Let me go to a regular buffer here. Let's just create a file called test.html. And so I is undefined. So we don't quite have evil mode. So I'm guessing that not all of these packages have been updated yet. So we have a lot of evil. Now, why is this not working? Package install evil. Maybe I have to put require evil. That's probably what I have to do. So it actually probably is okay. Let's go here and let's just go down here and we'll write it's not letting me do parentheses. That's weird. Let's restart it here. No. Okay, so maybe it was something I turned on. Let's put require evil, and then we'll just put evil mode 1. Okay, and we'll save it and close it out and then restart it. And maybe I'll make a distribution where, okay, so there's something wrong. I put something incorrect with evil mode. So require evil. Huh. This is very interesting to me. It seems that we have some kinks here. I think that's what I typed, require evil, right? Now we have evil. Wrong number of arguments, 3.4, comma 2. Huh. Is this just a warning? No. So I think there's something wrong with the install of evil. Let's go down here. Let me get rid of that. And let's do package delete. And we'll delete evil. Okay, so now that's deleted. Let's try, let's save the file. Yes. And let's try and restart it. Okay, so no errors. Okay, so something with evil not compiling correctly. Okay, so maybe Non GNU Elpa still needs a bit of updating here. And some of the dependencies aren't working. Well, let's try and install something like Dracula Theme, see how that works. So I would just want to go here. Let's go to package. Let's do package refresh. And it's contacting Elpa and Non GNU, and the package refresh is done. Okay, so let's do package install. And let's install the Dracula theme. Okay, Dracula theme was installed. Let's go now and go to our init.el. And let's just go down here. We'll say load theme Dracula. We'll have a T here just so it doesn't ask me if I trust this. I'm going to save it. I'm going to go out of here and let's start back up. Loads up Dracula, perfectly fine. I think we're all set. We don't need anything else. Let's take a look at some other packages here. So evil, maybe no. I can tell right now that there's not as many things here yet. So I don't think people have uploaded to this package management system yet. We've got projectile. Okay. Solarized Space Max. We've got a bunch of themes that are going up here. But yeah, you notice there's not as many things up here yet. So let's actually see if Snippet does install. So let's do package install. Oh, probably have to do a refresh because I started it again. So it's refreshed, and let's do a package install, and let's do Snippet. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it looks like Snippet has installed. Let's go and create. Let's create a file. Let's call it test.c. And let's toggle the menu bar mode from frame. And that's interesting. Why is that not working? Oh, okay. So it looks like snippet. Maybe we have to add some stuff in the init el. So let's try snippet Emacs. I think we do have to add some stuff, but I'm guessing for now you probably still want to use Melpa. So we've got it loaded. Let's see if this works. Go here. Let's go down here and we'll paste these lines and save it and quit out of here and then restart and see if there's some errors. Okay, I don't think there are any errors. Let's go back here. Okay, let's just create a file, test.c. Let's try this again. Okay, let's toggle the menu bar mode from the frame. Okay, so it's not liking that. But it does have snippet. So it is a pause. Maybe it's because I'm recording. It's usually faster than that, but I'll test it out and see how it is. So let's see. Do we have snippets? But it doesn't seem like it's quite incorporated some of the snippets. Because normally it would incorporate the snippets that like for C mode, just when you load it up. So that's interesting. Let's get rid of, let's package delete, and let's delete snippet. Okay, so we delete that one, and let's go out of here. Let's restart, and let's go and contact Melpa and see if we can put some stuff in there. My init file, I need to fix that because at the bottom, I have these two lines. Okay. All right. So what I want to do is I do want to add Melpa. Let's add Melpa. So I'm going to go back here to my repository, and I'm going to add Melpa. So let's just go here. I just borrowed these lines. I could have gone right to Melpa to do that, but okay. So now I'll just put this here. Probably order this better, but so now I'm going to eval this buffer. I'm going to now run package list packages. Okay. And you see it's loading. It's going to probably go up, and I would assume it can contact Melpa just like 27 or 26. Package refresh is done. So now we have the Melpa ones. As you notice when I went through that list, Melpa has about 5,000 packages. The other one did not. Let's try this time to install. Oh, there is no match. Eval. Why is evil not working? Let me search. Evil. Yeah, evil's there. It's in non GNU. So, oh, I know what I'm doing. I gotta type package install. Goof. Then I type evil. I've got my evil. All right. So now, can I just do evil mode? No. Let me go to my test. My test. Let's do test.html. I've got my evil mode. See? Evil mode. I can be evil now. All right. So anyway, yeah. For those who are thinking that every package is going to be over at the non GNU new package manager, for the official package manager for 28.1, that's not the case yet. That may change in the future, but for right now, no. So I'm going to play with this a bit more. If someone wants to see a video on building this from source and wants to try it out themselves, please let me know. I'll do that video. But yeah, anyways, first reactions to 28.1. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.